So last meeting, which was we studied the nominative and accusative case. Practically, the nominative is used within the parts of speech. It's called subject, and the accusative is the direct object. So the key for memory is direct object is accusative. You point the finger, okay? You point the finger to someone else, so you are accusing. So the person you are pointing to is the direct object. So it's not the subject. So it's just a key term. Now we go over to genitive and dative. So we are still following the 5 cases system, meaning nominative, accusative, genitive, and dative. And the last one is vocative. But when we get to vocative, you will realize it's easy. It's connected with usually it's connected with the accusative form uh, because it's actually just calling a person by name, so or by rank. But we may get to vocatives next time. Excuse me. So here, um, okay, we need to skip this. The point here in this paragraph is the use of the King James. You see, here it's peace on earth, goodwill towards men. But in the NIV, it takes note of on earth peace to men. So that will be expected, that will be dative because of the use of to. And whom his favor, so this is genitive. And then the other one, NRSV on earth, peace among those whom he favors. Again, the preposition among, similar to the two, most likely it is using a dative case. Those whom he favors. So the similar to this one, but note here, he favors becomes a verb. This one, his favor. So this is possessive. Most likely this one and this God favors are of course this one you could say that most likely this is a genitive case because of the genitive of possession, his favor. But here, this is not easy to decide upon because he is now the translators of NRSV is using what we call a present active indicative. So it is a verb. It is not possessive noun that is being possessed by this pronoun is. So okay, let me skip here. So again, the review for the possessive case, in front of the word of God is true. So the word here is being owned by God in the English form. So most likely this will be in a genitive of possession. Genitive of possession. So the same function here is apostrophe. The apostrophe gives the hint that it is being owned by someone. So God's word. So same thing here. The word becomes you would say the one being possessed by God. So this is again the genitive in its Greek format. Now we go over to indirect. So we remember that the accusative form tells about the direct object. But how about the indirect object? Technically, is the person thing that is indirectly affected by the action of the verb. This means that the indirect object is somehow directly involved in the action described by the verb but not directly. So, for example, Karin threw Brad a ball. From this, we know that this is the main verb. Well, there's just one verb in the sentence. So there are two choices here, whether it is Brad or ball that is being thrown by Karin. And we noticed that the correct answer here is a ball. This is the direct object. But what is the function of Brad? What is the function of Brad here is that Karin threw a ball and the ball is heading towards Brad. Maybe he is passing it like they were playing a basketball. So he threw the ball and perhaps Brad will be the one to shoot. So it is not proper that we say that Karin threw Brad. Okay? Brad is not the direct object. He is the indirect object as what we can see here. And so again, if the ball is a direct object, so we could guess it is accusative case. How about Brad? Well, what can we make of Brad? So Brad is Brad now becomes the indirect object. So if Brad is the indirect object, so we could say, that in the Greek sentence, Brad is as indirect object. He is the dative. Okay. Earlier I mentioned that the possessive is often it is the genitive often. Okay. So, but if it's in the indirect object, it is the dative case. Okay. So, okay. So the genitive case in Greek can be used when showing possession. But to remind you, class, genitive of possession is just one of the functions of the genitive case. So you may be asking, so sir, what are the other functions of the genitive? We may not discuss that because that's part of Greek syntax, which is Greek 3. Okay, Greek 3. In ASEM, you only have two Greeks, okay? Greek 1, which is, now we are about the parts of speech. And then the second is about tenses. So when we go to genitive case, other functions may include genitive of source. So where did it come from? Again, you have been exposed to genitive of possession. And then genitive of instrumentality, genitive of what we call objective genitive. So objective genitive, now there is also objective genitive and subjective genitive. Interesting because subjective genitive is genitive in form, but it functions as a nominative. Remember, nominative is subject, right? So and then objective genitive is in the genitive form, but it functions like an accusative or a direct object. So there are cases when the genitive case is used, but the function is different. Okay. But again, we will not discuss that because that is not part of our coverage here. And that is what we call a higher level degree of studies na yung when you talk about different functions of the genitive. And if there are different functions of the genitive, there are also different functions of the dative, dative case. So anyway. So Greek, however, does not have this construction. Everyone break God's law. Greek, however, does not have the apostrophe. Okay, there is no apostrophe. Is similar to what we use in the English form. Okay. So for we now, this is an example of the genitive case. So nomoi, this is law. Nomos is law, but this is plural form, nominative plural. It becomes nomoi. Nomoi tuteo. So tuteo, you are being now introduced to new endings. Okay, this is the ending for the genitive singular. Genitive singular. Tuteo. So the word modifies is called the head noun. And remember, the word to is a definite article, and the stem is ho, okay, or the lexical term is ho. But because it is in the genitive case, the ho follows the ending. The ho follows the ending of the of the uh, the word it modifies, and it is modifying the teo, so it should be the same. So the definite article and the ending should be the same with the noun it is trying to show as possession, as genitive. Okay. Okay, keywords. He doxa anthropo. Doxa is glory. Here is the given that this is feminine form, so it will take a feminine direct feminine uh, uh, what is this again? Definite article, sorry, definite article. And then this is the genitive because it ends with you. So not every genitive has a definite article like to. So because the glory of mankind or the glory of a mankind. So if there is a definite article, it becomes the glory of the mankind. But we do not see the to here. So this is just the glory of mankind. Okay. Okay, now we go to the second. So the fourth of the cases that you have been introduced, nominative, accusative, genitive, and dative. The dative has a wide range in usage. So it may be to, it may be in, and it may be with. But before I forget, the genitive acquires a preposition of during its translation. So in here, in this phrase, you find that there is no, of course, the question is, where is the of found, we could find in this sentence? So the of is found attached to the anthropos, which is man. But the ending, gives away or informs the reader that there should be this is a genitive in possession, so there should be an added of in this sentence. Okay, so I am breaking it down. It just happened. It just occurred to me that when we were taking our when we were studying Greek, our teacher was not explaining these elements. During our time, it is just up to you to understand the book, no? And because it's up to you, then God bless you, no? God bless you. So kami naman, iyak na lang kami, no? We will just cry, na, because the explanation of the book is too the pace of the book is too fast, no? We could not discern now what is the professor talking about, no? Okay. So now here we go to the dative case. And using these direct examples, notice that the ending here is the upsilon. While in the ending of the dative uses the omega with the iota subscript. So what is the iota subscript? There. In the omega, there is a iota subscript. So a small letter iota, no? A small letter iota. In the early papyrus manuscripts, there are no iota subscripts, no? It is just omega. But in the later, the minuscules, the editors of the scribes of the minuscules added the iota subscript in order to inform the reader that the translation is a dative, that the Greek term using is the dative. So again, this is already a clue class, no? Among the cases, nominative, accusative, genitive, and dative, and even vocative, only the dative uses a iota subscript. Okay? No? Only the dative. So once you see there is a iota subscript, automatically it is in the dative form, but the dative form in the singular in number. So this is already provided by the scribes. In order to differentiate this tau omega with the iota subscript from another tau omega, which may be functioning differently. And of course, it's functioning differently. It will also be translated differently. Okay. So notice that the genitive and the dative are used in the sentence. Okay. So the genitive here uses the preposition of, while the dative uses the preposition to. Remember the angel of the Lord. So you will be guessing what is this? Okay. Anyway, very clear here that the angel here functions as a nominative. So let's try to break this sentence down. Okay. So angelos is nominative because of the ending, and it is singular. So we will not say that these are angels. Where if it is if the Greek is angel, it becomes angeloi. The ending would be iota. And then now kurio is ends with the upsilon. This is the genitive. Kurio. And it is directly related to the angelos. So that's why angel of the Lord. And now, excuse me, pineitai is the verb. And here it is in the aorist tense, appeared. So of course, we will not say that what is the case, because verbs do not have cases. Okay, no, we will not ask if it's nominative, genitive. No, because verbs do not have case. Main verbs do not have cases. Participles, when we get to participles, but I'm not very sure if all of you will get to participles in Greek too. Participles have cases, no? And then this is the what we call the dative phrase. dative phrase because it has a definite article. Unlike angulos or curio, they do not have definite articles. But this one has. So, to, and then there is the iota subscript, and then Joseph, which is Joseph. So we know that this is the verb, paineitai, he appeared. Okay? Who was the one who appeared? The Lord appeared. The Lord. And then, so, to whom did he appear? He appeared to Joseph. So it is the functions as an indirect object. Because if Joseph functions as a direct object, what will happen to the sentence? The angel appeared, the angel of Joseph appeared. The angel of Joseph appeared. Or if we drop off angel, Joseph appeared because he is not the subject. He is the one who appeared. He is the one who was exposed. So the question is, who is the one looking at him? Okay. So I hope. Okay, we'll now move to the next sentence. This is from Matthew 5:3. Makaryoy, no? Kasi the accent is here, no? In the Aleph. Sorry, Alpha. Nagiging Hebrew na tuloy, Aleph. Makaryoy, hoy, tukkoy, to neomati. This is a bit hard to pronounce because these are two consonants. But the key here is you try to think of which is the stronger consonant in the two. And for me, the stronger consonant is the tau. Tau is stronger than the pi. So it becomes tukoy. Tukoy. Like the big lizard, no? The big lizard is tukoy, no? Tukoy. The big lizard. And then the numati, pinumati. So you will try to pronounce as a weak, no? Weak pi, pinumati. So that's the one that will be strengthened here is the nun. So again, what are we talking about here? The hoy tukoy is the referring to the poor in plural, no? The poor people or the poor men. If we say that this is masculine, but most likely this is common, so that we will also include the women, no? And children. So they are the ones that are blessed, no? So this is, again, there is the iota subscript, similar to what we see here. Okay? So this again gives us the hint that this is dative in case. And then in spirit. To neomati, no? To neomati. Blessed are the poor in spirit. Okay? And then paso. Okay, now this is using this is called the participle. No? Confusing kasi it uses a definite article. But also it has case and it also has number. And okay, so the function here pass, everyone pass, no? All, everyone, or each who is angry. So this orgizomenos, no? Orgizomenos is participle who is angry. Actually, the literal of this one, without, if you drop off everyone, the one who is angry, no? The one who is angry with his brother. So that is literal. So again, we go back to the iota subscript. Now I'm just trying to point it out so that you will familiarize yourself that this is the dative. But look at the prepositions, okay? The prepositions, though they are all datives, they are using different prepositions, no? Appeared to Joseph. So the choices in every dative is to in with, okay? To in with. I forget to remind you nga pala sa genitive, it is of or from, okay? Of or from. So not all genitives are of. They can also be used as from. Now we see here, so if it's a dative, once you find the to omega with the iota subscript, and I forget, there is also circumflex, no? Circumflex is the like a small hat, no? A semicircle above it. So um, dative case can be translated as to, in, or with, no? To, in, with. And sometimes you will add the among, no? To, in, with, or among. Genitive is of or from. Nominative and accusative, you do not add prepositions because nominative was for a subject, the doer of the action. Accusative is the doer of the receiver of the action. Okay. So this becomes the three keywords. Again, into, with, and among. Into, with, and among. Under the category of to comes the indirect object. The indirect object functions the same as Greek as it does in English. And then, okay, maybe we could skip that. Iota is the dative singular case. So look at this. So this is Basileia. This is the lexeme. And then plus, ideally, there is a iota added. But here, the iota is placed in the subscript. It's still, so this is the alpha, and then the alpha, and then the iota is added here. So it gives you the idea that this is a dative. We see this phenomenon also again here in agape. There is in the eta, there is a iota subscript. And then there is also a what we call a iota subscript under the omega. Okay, genitive and dative case endings. Okay. So nominative, masculine is yes, and then nominative, okay? This is for like logos. So logos, and then logo, logoi, logon. Accusative, no? Accusative. And then feminine is maybe we will logia. Logia, and then genitive is maybe we will change. Let's just use graphe, no? Graphe. So graphe is writing, graphe, nomos, nominative, genitive, graphes, graphe, graphen. Okay, and then nominative plural, we go back to logos, logos, logoi, logon, logis, logos. Sorry, logois, logos. Okay, we will see an examples here. Okay, so remember the ending, this is masculine, and then this is feminine. So logos, logo, logo, and then logon. Notice the endings. So sir, what are we going to do? you really need to memorize the endings. You need to familiarize. So if you want to to have this page, for example, you can have this page, you can screenshot this page, and then you print it out, and then you use it as a guide. No? There is no choice. We as students of Greek, we really need to familiarize with the endings. Okay. So this is logos, logo, logon, graphe, graphes, graphe, and then grapen. Okay. Hura, huras, hura with the iota subscript also here. There is a iota subscript here. There is also a iota subscript here for the masculine singular. And then the hura. And then also for the neuter singular. And then graphene, which is accusative singular. Logoy, logon, logois, logos. Graphai, graphao, graphon. Same here. Same endings. Instead that you need to remember that graphe is the lexeme, which is feminine, but the genitive plural of logon and graphon are the same. And then graphais, so notice this is the omicron, and this is the alpha. And then graphas. So now the definite article the is ton, hetes, teten. Coronator, to. So the nominative and the accusative are the same. So hoi, ton, tois, tos, which is the same to the ending as we can find this one. The endings are the same. So the definite article and the noun it is trying to describe is they have the same ending. Okay. Ho logos, to logo, ton logon, hoi logoy, ton logon, tois logois, tos logos, te grape, tes grapes, te grape with the iota subscript dative. Ten grapain, then high grapay, town, grapon, tas grapais, tas grapas. Okay. In the dative singular, the iota subscripts is possible. Graphe plus iota, it becomes graphe with iota subscript. And then logoy, it becomes logo plus iota. Notice it is not omicron iota, so it's not plural in form. So logo, the word logos, the sigma drops off because sigma is the ending for a nominative. You drop the sigma off and then you replace it with the omega with the iota subscript. Okay, other declension patterns. So Jesus. So in this one, the upsilon sigma appears as the what we call, it looks like a genitive, plural, but because it is about Jesus, remember this is a proper name. Okay, because it is a proper name, the ho does not change the ending. It remains as ho Jesus. Ho Jesus, to Yesu. So Yesu, so it does not become it does not follow the upsilon or the omega with the iota subscript. And then tod Yesun, it's accusative. Okay. So this is now about doxa, glory. Doxa, which is feminine singular. So doxa, doxes, doxe, with the iota subscript, and then doxan. Okay. Translation. So in the chat, it is Ezra. Can you read this one?
Uh, Sir, o lo Ologos,
Hologos.
Ologos, uh, so I forgot this. uh,
This is
Sorry,
tau. Tau, omicron,
Tau,
upsilon.
uh, 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 Tau, T-O, Theo,
It's two.
2.
Like the sound of T-O-O. So that's the
Okay,
sound.
sir.
Hologos two.
Ologos, 2, uh, Theo, T, T,
Theo.
Theo, sorry,
There are two sigmas here. Okay.
uh, C O O C O sorry C O C
No, this is
A.
so. This
So okay, so
this
so,
this what you call, this syllable is so. Okay, so
okay,
and
so
then this one.
so 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 um say say
Good. So say
so say
this is
this
a okay. This is a PS. So sound is a ps, ps. So this is a ps. Remember the
uh,
word psychology? Psychology. This is okay.
um, so
This is an upsilon. So PSU, that will be
so
the sound. PSU.
su, su uh you this is delta, right?
No, no, this is Ka. That's the word, the letter for
Yeah,
Christ. CH.
thrice sorry, sir. This is alpha ka. It is sound like
Suka.
ka
PSU. CH. Suka. And then
suka. So is alpha.
last letter.
Yes, sir.
Last letter. It is the
Suka,
ending of this one. So this is also a sigma.
su, suka,
Sukas.
sukas. Okay.
Okay. So if we transliterate this, PSUCHAS. Okay. So try to read the entire sentence again.
So, O logos, two, the the Theo say Sao Sao
Sao say. Sao say.
Tao Sao say Fi uh Fi
No, it's not P. It's C.
Si Sai like Sai
Sukas.
Sukas.
Okay. So homologous to Teo, so say sukas. Okay, okay, let's the to Teo is this is the genitive phrase, okay? Of God. So homologous is the noun or sa nominative. And then sukas is the direct object. So it's okay, it's in plural form. We make that. Skip this one. Dative can be in with and to. In here, because it is just focusing on the possessive of, but a genitive can also be from, genitive of source. And then indirectly, okay, what else? What the subscript? Okay, so let's take turns in reading. So, psalmist, what word is this one? Please read. Please unmute.
Amartya.
Okay. So hammer, it's a rough breathing, okay?
Oh, sorry.
Hamartia. Okay.
Hamartya. Nakita, so sorry.
Thank you. So next is Joel. This one.
RK.
RK, good. And then June, this one.
Gap.
No, it's Gar.
Oh,
This is a raw. Okay, Gar. And then Lisani,
A pen.
Apen, good. Back to Ezra,
Ace
uh, Psalmist, Psalmist, unmute.
Yep. Su Susia. Hexusia.
Exousia, okay.
Hexia.
Okay, Exousia, and then Joel,
Evangelion or Evangelion.
Evangelion is okay. Or Evangelion. June,
Jesus.
good. Jesus. Listening,
Curious.
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 Then, okay. Maybe we could skip to this one. So, try to memorize this list of vocabs, okay? Jesus, curious me, oranos, autos, su, vios, uste. Okay. Previous words. Okay. We've seen this one. Okay, let's go over to the workbook. Okay. So let's try to analyze this. So, agape with the iota subscript. So, yes, we welcome, no? Pastor Isaac is also with us. Okay, so, Joel, can you begin? Agape.
Agape. Case po, dative.
Dative, yes.
Number singular.
Okay.
Gender feminine. Lexical form agape.
Okay.
Inflected meaning to allow.
To love, in love,
Love.
or with love. Oh,
With love.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you po.
June, let's follow the order na lang. Si Psalmist, number 2.
Ako, sir? Sir, si Pastor Jun po ba o ako, sir? Ako, sir.
Psalmist, ikaw.
Curious. Case dative.
Yung choices lang yan is ano, singular or plural? Plural.
Dative plural, sir.
Okay. Dative plural. Bakit? Kasi ito singular, so merong iota subscript. But there is no iota subscript here, so this is dative plural. Okay.
Plural. Masculine, sir.
Masculine.
Ang lexical, sir, curious.
Okay, curious.
Lifted meaning.
Translate mo muna yung curious. Curious is,
Sir,
you translate curious.
curious. Okay. Tama ba, sir?
Lord,
Sir,
Lord.
Lord,
Curious is Lord. Okay, Lord. Pag genitive, you will add to in with. To Lord, in Lord, with Lord. Pag plural, what happens? It becomes two Lord, two Lords, in Lords, with Lords. Because it's plural, okay? Okay, next. Si June, number 3.
Amartion.
Okay.
Genitive.
Genitive,
Plural.
plural, good.
Feminine.
Feminine, because hamartia is feminine, right?
Video is not working. Now with the picture, the sensitivity. Oh, the video is
Lexical form.
Lexical form is
the video
Hamartia.
is right here.
amartia.
And then, what is the inflected meaning?
The video is here, right?
Remember what happens if there is a genitive? If you add off, right? Off.
Which link have you got?
So it is because it is plural, so translate mo muna hamartia. Translate.
Just a moment ago, my daughter Rebecca texted me.
Hamartia is sin, right? Sin.
Yes, sin.
Pag plural,
Sin.
plural form, it becomes
Sins.
sins. And then if it's genitive, you add off. So it becomes
Oh. Of sins.
of sins. Okay. Next. Lisa ni number 5.
Anthropo.
Anthropo. Okay.
Dative.
Dative. Dative.
Dative
Two choices. Dative singular. Again, what is our clue there? The iota subscript. There is a iota subscript here. There is a iota subscript in agape. Okay. And then the rest is none. So, okay. Continue.
Gender.
The choices sa gender is masculine, feminine, or neuter.
Masculine, sir.
Masculine, good.
Lexical form is anthropos. Human.
In man. Okay, in man, or you could say to man or with man. Okay, thank you. So, before, okay, see. Ezra, Vios, and then to be followed by Isaac. Okay. Ezra number 6.
V. Vio.
Vius. Vius.
Vius.
Okay.
Vius.
Case. Okay, let's have a review of the endings. Okay. Here the endings are okay, then this is for feminine. Okay. Remember this one? So what is the ending? Vios. Let's take a look at that again. So the ending is similar to this one. Logos, logo, logo, logon. Logoy, logon, logois, logus. And it is under the accusative plural. Okay. Accusative plural. So here it is number 6.
Here, its gender is feminine.
No, masculine po.
K.
But always begin with the case. Follow the order in the chart.
I don't know, sir.
Vios, if you look at this one, the ending, it is accusative plural, okay? It is OUS. Here we could see that it is also OUS. So the ending is, it tells us that it is accusative plural. So the case would be accusative. The number would be plural. The gender is
Gender is masculine.
masculine. And then the lexical form is remember Vios? Ezra?
Sir,
Vios. So the lexical form is Vios, upsilon, iota, omicron, and then sigma. Vios. And then the inflected meaning is because it is accusative plural, so it is direct object. And it is translated as, do you remember? Vios is translated as remember sun, Ezra? Vios is sun. Remember? But if it's plural, so it becomes
sir.
sons, right?
Sons.
Sons.
Yeah.
So plural, okay. Thank you. Now Isaac, number 7.
Number 7 is logos.
No, logo. Just logo.
Logo.
And then the case is
I-
it's okay. You just came in. This is a new topic. So this is genitive.
Genitive.
Genitive, yes. So it's a new topic. So it's genitive Omicron and Upsilon ending is genitive. And then its number is, you have two choices, singular or plural. Maybe let's take a look at this one again, the review. So this is exactly the word, okay? This is genitive singular, this one.
Yes.
So it is genitive singular, it has the same appearance. So here it becomes
Singular.
singular, and then the gender is
Gender is masculine.
good, masculine. Lexical form is
Logos.
logos, good. And then
Logos.
the inflected meaning is when it is genitive, you add off. So it becomes of word. Okay, of
The
word.
word. Of
Of
word.
word.
Okay.
Of word.
Of
Okay.
word.
Yes, okay. Thank you. It is ta is very easy. It is the case can be nominative or accusative. It's neoter, no? By the way. Neoter, sorry. This is ta. So this is yes, nominative, and the lexical po, the gender is feminine. Okay. And then the sorry. It's just supposed to be neuter, no? Neuter siya, and then the lexical form is to. To. And then the inflected meaning is the. The, and then again, ta is plural, okay? Ta is plural. This is plural. Accusative plural or nominative plural. That is why it uses ta. So it is neuter plural. Then who's next? Joel.
Otois.
Hmm.
Case dative.
Dative,
Number. Yeah po. Dative, then plural.
plural,
In
good.
number. Um, uh, masculine.
Masculine, okay.
Okay po. Then lexical form po is otos.
Otos, and then
Inflected is to them. To, in or with them.
okay, thank you. Very good. Next is Almist.
Basilias.
Okay, balikan natin yung guide. So where is it here?
Basilias. Accusative plural.
This one, right?
Accusative.
The ending is this one. So it is accusative
Accusative
plural in this
plural.
category. Okay. Accusative plural, and then
Feminine.
what is the number?
Sir?
Number.
Accusative plural, sir.
Yes, yes. Gender.
Feminine.
Feminine.
Lexiform is Basileia.
Basileia.
Basileo.
Basileia.
Basileo. And
Because it's accusative, so it's a direct object.
of.
And then it is plural.
Of.
No. It's no. Of
Ah.
kung genitive. So you don't
Ay, oh.
accusative form lang siya. Functioning as a direct object. But it's plural.
The-
So it becomes
The kingdom. Tama sir.
gawin mong plural. Singular yun eh.
Pero tama po yung the, sir.
Walang the rito. There's no definite article. Just kingdom.
Okay.
Gawin mong plural.
Kingdoms.
Kingdoms. Okay, thank you. So you may skip this one. Okay. Greek translation na tayo. Your favorite. This is your favorite. Now, June. This one.
Angelos. Angelos. Curio.
Curio. Translate. Remember Angelos? What is Angelos?
Angel.
Angel. And then Curio is genitive, right? This is genitive. So what happens if it's genitive? You add what preposition? Of. Angel of Angel of
Angel of Lord.
yes, Angel of Lord.
Angel of the Lord.
Angel of
Ay,
the
Angel
Lord.
of Lord lang.
Angel of Lord or Angel of a Lord. Angel of a Lord. But in our theological understanding, so it is very definite. So angel of the Lord. That can siguro for the reasons that we translate with the definite article, then there is no definite article here. So we will prompt to use angel of a Lord. Okay. Angel of the Lord. Okay, thank you. Listening, this one.
Ponen Angelo.
Okay.
Genitive.
Genitive.
Voice.
Pone is
Voice, sir.
voice. And then angelon.
Voice of angel.
But this is plural, right? Plural.
Yeah. Voice of angels.
Voice of angels. Thank you. Isaac is lost. Maybe the connection is not good. Ezra, this one.
Agape thou Christoph.
Okay. Okay, agape to Christo. Translate.
Agape. Agape is love.
Yes. And there is a definite article, so it becomes
The
this is
Is
The lab, right? The lab.
the law
And then who is
Uh,
this one?
of the law of Christ, sir.
Correct. The love of Christ. Thank you. And then, Joel.
Tay, Tais, Amartiais, to Kaipu. Sorry, Cairo. Tais, Hamartias, to Cairo.
Cairo. Sige.
To, to the scenes of the time.
To the scenes of the
Or,
time. Good. This is off. Sorry. This is genitive, no? To the scenes of the time.
Gentive.
To the scenes. Or we could also use ano yun? To in the scenes of the time. It could be, because we do not have a definite context to it, no? Wait, thank you. Psalmist. Read the Greek first. Psalmist.
Kalimutan ko sa yung unang letter.
Ano to? Fee. Fee.
And Pun, Punit. Tama ba sir?
Pakilasan.
Pun,
Nay.
Punay.
Like a cell phone. No, like a phone. Punay. Punay. Punay.
EU,
Iyo.
Kai,
Kay.
Uk,
Okay, up.
Uk, Anthropo.
Okay, anthropo. Anthropo. Note that in this phrase, the endings are the same. This one. So they are both what case? Psalmist? What case? The choices are nominative, genitive, dative, accusative.
Genitive.
Genitive, right? Genitive. So if it's genitive, you add what
Of,
preposition? Of. You add of, okay? So maybe you're now able to translate the phrase. Nalimutan mo yung phony? A while ago, Lisa ni used Phonane angelon. Ladies. Punay muna,
Ah.
punay. Balikan mo yung punay. What is translate punay? Punay is, remember, voice.
Voice of God. Tama ba, sir?
Voice of God.
To the, tama ba? Voice of God. Unto po.
Voice of God. Yung kai can be translated as and or but. Or
Voice
it
of
can be
God.
translated as and, no, here. But it could be also translated as but. Voice of God or voice of a God.
Voice of a God. And
And yung ook, you remember ook is not.
not.
Okay. And
Voice
not.
of a God. And not a man. Not human.
Not. May kulang. There's something missing. Because this is genitive. You add. What preposition?
Of.
Of.
Voice of a God and not you, not of human. Tama siya?
Oh, pwede ring human. Not of a man is okay.
Not of a man. Okay.
Okay, so.
So,
And then. Whose turn? Can you try this, Isaac? This one? But of course, in order to do that, you need to know what is an we lost Isaac. Ezra, do you know Urano? Urano is heaven, okay? Urano, heaven. You remember the planet Uranus? It is a planet. Urano is heaven, okay? I think you can translate that. Okay, let's.
Occur.
Okay, Ezra, let's give it to Isaac. Okay, Isaac. Oh,
Occur. Okay. Occur. Tau.
oh, curious.
Occurus. Tau.
So, this is one of the
Occurus.
new vocabulary. Urano. From Uranus is heaven. But remember the planet Uranus. After Jupiter, Jupiter is Uranus. So this is similar to this,
Yes.
similar in spelling and pronunciation. So it is translated as heaven. So try to translate, it is genitive. In English,
Occurus. In English. No, not it.
begin with ho, curious.
occurred. The 8. The
Oh, curious.
to
So,
occurs to
who curious to?
of occurs to
Oh,
occurs occurs
it's curious. Pastor Isaac.
occurs
Who?
who occurs
Remember the planet? What planet after Jupiter?
Jupiter occurs to
U,
U-
Ra,
Uran
Uranu.
Uranus
Uranu.
Uranu yeah Uranu
Okay,
to
translate.
the 8
That is curious again if you translate in English.
occur in English
The whom?
the
Who is it? Okay, it's the Lord, right? The Lord. The Lord.
the Lord
How curious is the Lord, okay? And
the
then
Lord
to Uranu. This is genitive.
to Uran
So what happens if it's genitive? We add the preposition of. Okay. The Lord of. So what is the last word?
the Lord
Of. You can go back to our vocabulary here. The vocabulary is, I think this is it. This one. What does it say?
heaven
Heaven. Okay.
heaven the Lord of heaven
The Lord of
Yeah.
the heaven. Okay.
of the
Because
heaven
there is a definite
Yes.
article here. Okay. Thank you. Last one. Ayan, Salmis, you have a question?
Yes, sir. Subukan ko na yan, sir.
You want to answer
Challenge.
the last one. Okay. Before we take our break. That's good?
Challenge ako, sir.
Okay. Read.
Opeste. Tama ba, sir? Opeste.
Ano, PS. So
Opeste.
this is PS. Obsess. Obsessed.
Obseste. Obseste. Tain. Tain. Tama ba? Tain.
Good, good. Obsessed
Doksan.
din. Doksan.
Kuryo.
Kuryo. Okay. Obsessed ten doksan kuryo.
Sir, genitive siya, sir. Kasama ba ito, sir? Babasahin. You will see na.
Hindi, obsessed
Continue.
the translation is this one in English. This is the translation. So Of course, you will just read this one if you're going to translate. You will see
You
what?
will see the glory
The glory
of Lord
of the Lord. Uh,
of the Lord.
okay, so thank you. So we'll take our breaks for a while. And then pause. Resume. Sige. Salamat. So I think we missed that. Okay, for the sake of recording, this is Apen Autois Ho Jesus. So the very clear subject is Jesus o Jesus. So Jesus spoke to them. Okay, Jesus spoke to them. Autois is dative. That is why we add to. Now this one yung kay Ate Lisa ni. Please repeat ate for the sake of recording.
Elalay ay autus ton logon.
Okay,
He
translate
was speaking to them the word.
the word.
Or he
Okay.
was speaking the word to them.
Yes, he was speaking the word to them. In the natural order of the English construction, he was speaking the word to them. Thank you. And then now, back to Pastor Joel, this one.
Tain agape to teo uk ekete.
Yes,
Sa translation po, you do not have the love of God.
you do not have the love of God. Very good. Next,
Sige po.
Ezra.
So, if we, if,
Try
if,
the syllables. P,
a, a,
P,
e,
P,
a,
me, P, me.
see this one, right?
The one in highlights, this one.
If we may, e, wo,
That is
me,
that is a noon. That is a noon. Epi, men, no,
epi, me,
me,
noon.
no. Last syllable.
If,
Epi, men, no, men. Epi, men, no, men.
mean no man. T, T, A,
Te,
T, A, F, P, Aero, Tia.
te hamartia. And then there is a question mark. There is a question mark. Epi, men, no, men, te hamartia.
If he may move te amartia.
So the basic translation is already there. Remember this one? Hamartia is, Ezra? Hamartia
Yes.
is
Yes.
Hamartia is sin, right? Sin.
Sin.
So the ending is the sin. But this is a question, so it becomes should we keep on sinning? Right?
Okay. Yes, that is, should we keep on saying? I didn't get it. So.
Okay, thank you. Just a moment. Okay, so this is a long one. Whose turn is it? Try mo, June. June? Okay. Salvis raised his hand, no? Okay. Okay lang ba sa'yo, June? You take this one? The next line?
Friend or whoever.
Sige po, try.
Sige. Si Salmis dito sa
Or can
aposte. This one.
addicted to online.
Buwan ko lang, sir. Pinapractice ko na kanina, sir.
Ay, talaga? Sige.
Habang naghahanap ko si Esther. Aros, Aros?
No, apos.
Ay, apostole. Hobios to antropolo. Anthropotus angelus autus. Autu.
Yeah. Autu, okay. Apostole, hobios, tu anthroputu, angelos autu. Okay, translate.
Genitive. Accusative. Ito, sir, no? It will send. Ito yung una.
Yeah, pero this is the subject. This is the nominative.
The sun.
The sun. Actually, this is a title. So you may add this one. This is a title.
The son, dahil genitive siya, may observe. The son of man.
Yeah, the Son of Man, which is referring to Jesus in the Synoptic Gospels. And then verb.
Will send.
Will
It
send.
will send.
No. I-drop. There is a clear subject. The Son. The Son of Man. The Son of Man.
Will send.
The Son of Man will
Dahil-
send. Will send what?
The son of man will send.
Will send what?
He or his, sir?
His. Oh, auto functioning as ano? His what?
Angels.
His angels. Good. The Son of Man will send his angels. Sige. Now, si June. June. There is a footnote here. Ayan, this word sometimes occurs in plural. Okay. Yung heaven or heavens, no? Sometimes it appear in plural or heaven. Sige.
It has drawn near for them
Mm-hmm.
the kingdom of heaven.
Sige, try mong i-ano. You forgot to translate gar. This one. Do you remember what gar is? Gar is classified as a conjunction. No?
For o kaya then.
For. Sige, for. And this is a
It
theology.
has drawn,
Ano pa?
has drawn
Analyze.
near.
Jun, analyze this one. Kasi this is a theological term. What is this?
Kingdom of heaven po.
Sige, the kingdom of heaven. There is a definite article here.
Okay po.
Yan. There are
It
definite
has drawn
articles.
near, then, for, it has drawn near. For the kingdom of heaven.
For the kingdom of heaven,
It has,
what? No, you drop mo na it. Kasi meron ng clear na ano. There is a clear subject. Drop mo na it. For,
okay. The kingdom of heaven
Very interesting.
has drawn near.
yon. Oh. Pero you forgot the for, ha? Ha?
Opo.
Isama mo yung for the kingdom
For
of
the
heaven.
kingdom of heaven has drawn near.
Yan, sige.
We've been exposed to
Okay. So, i-try natin si Pastor Ping. Pastor Pino. This one. So, episteusen in the footnote says it is he believed, okay? He believed. So, yun na yun. He believed. This one. Pero there is a clear subject.
Okay, episteo zen.
Episteusen, good.
Episteo zen o anthropos.
Anthropos. All right.
Anthropos to logo.
Sige.
Anthropos to logo.
Very good. Remember, this is the subject, no? Kasi this is nominative.
Subject, yeah.
We discussed this in our previous lessons again.
Yeah, because of the sigma letter.
Correct. It is, yung
Yes, because of the
sigma
sigma
informs us that it is nominative case.
Nominative. Yeah. So
Please translate.
anthroporos is the name of the person.
Or simply translated as the man.
The man, yeah. Anthroporos.
Yes, the man. The man, and then verb.
I believe.
The man believed.
The man believed the word.
Okay, so now ini-introduce na sorry. This is now because this is introducing datives. Look at the ending. Look at the ending. So the ending is to logo with a iota subscript. Oh, sorry. So this means with the iota subscript. So this is in the word. So we supply a preposition. In datives, there are three prepositions that we supply, either in, of, or in, to, or with. In, to, or with. So here now, the best preposition we could use is the man believed in the word, the man believed with the word, or the man believed to the word. So the best preposition is in. The man believed in the word.
Believe in the word.
Okay, good. So next, yan. Pahaba na ng pahaba. Ano, so, I'm having difficulty of picking who will, ano, no? Si Ate Lisa ni, kaya niya ito, Ate Lisa ni.
Enoreste.
Okay, this is a GN. Okay, GN. So, remember yung gnosis, no? Or Gnosticism. So, this is a GN. Noriste. Yan, Noriste.
Noriste. Non
Non
ties.
ties.
North ties. Archies. Sky ties.
Sky ties.
Exosia.
Exosiais.
Exosiais.
Allow me to read, Ginoriste, nun ties archies, kay ties exosias. Exosiais. Okay? So, translate. In context, the it may refer to the message or the gospel message, or if we think of it that it is about the Messiah, so we may use he. Okay? So if it is the Messiah, so he might be known ties archies. Archies is the rulers. And then exousiais is powers. Okay? So this is a now blank. Ano?
The rulers. And
To the rulers and the
powers.
powers plural. Okay.
Now the ruler and now the rulers and the
No.
powers.
Wait. Yung verb is he might be made known. So it's not the archives or it's not the archives ties oxysias are being introduced. No? It is to them that is the ginoriste is being introduced. So we translate this as now, noon, it might be made known, perhaps referring to the gospel, it might be made known to the rulers and to the powers. Okay? Because this long phrase is dative phrase. Okay? With a kai, with an n. No? Ties archies, kai ties exousiais. Okay? So again, the context we are not very sure. If it's referring to the Messiah, we will choose he. Now, he might be made known to the archives, to the rulers, and to the powers. But if this is referring to the gospel, we will use it. Okay? Now, it might be made known to the rulers and to the powers. But let's use a third option. If it is Mary, the mother of Jesus, we will use she. But likely, we do not have that in the Bible. No? Now, she might be made known. No? Ano to? Marian theology ba to? No? Anyway, so anyway, but of course, we do not have. But thank you, no, Ate Lisa Nino. Thank you for that. Pastor Isaac, this is yours, okay? This is assigned to you. So you could review this ahead. Now this Um, at least you could guess this, no? No? Psalmist, gusto mo yan, no? I-try. The English is already here, oh. The
Sige, sir.
English, oh. Sige, sige.
Ano ba? He. Tama, sir. He.
Okay, he, agape.
Agape. Tu. Teo.
To you. Sige, study by syllables. E,
Ek.
ke,
Ke. Ku.
ku, eke ku,
Tai.
tay. Eke ku tay. Yan.
Ke. Ku. Tai.
And then, this one,
Entice.
entice,
Cardias. Cardias.
cardiais, which is heart, plural form, dative. And then, hemon.
Hemon.
And then the cheat is already there. Our, hemon means our, okay?
He has been poured.
What is this one? This one.
The love
The love,
of
the love of
the love of God
the love of God. And then
Has
you just
been
reading, has been poured
in
in
our hearts.
in our hearts.
In our hearts.
Very good, very good.
Sir.
The love of
Ayaw mo, sir.
God has been poured in our hearts. Okay. Sige, next, si Pastor Isaac. Pastor Isaac. Okay, read the Greek first. Okay, RK. Ezra. Ay, sorry. Isaac, sorry. Isaac. RK. Isaac. Isaac, is your mic working? If you could recognize this is Mark 1:1. But don't open your Bibles, ah. This is Mark 1:1. Pastor Isaac. RK. RK2. And then the Greek word which is related to evangelism. Pastor Isaac. Dr. Isaac?
Philip, sir. I think the mic is a problem.
Kaya nga eh. Can you try this, Ezra? Ezra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please read.
Recording in progress.
R RK.
Okay.
Now you Evangelio
Okay.
in uh E mm, E E CO
Yesu? Arketo, Wangelio,
so
Yesu,
Christ Christo
Cristo. Okay. And then, last part.
you are UV UVO TO.
We o Teo. Okay. So please try to translate. RK is
So what is archive?
okay. The beginning.
The beginning
Beginning of what?
Tau, the beginning of right, sir. Tau means
Of the
of the
what is the
evangelio
Evangelio? What is Evangelio?
evangelism.
Um, not very much. It is the gospel. Okay. The beginning of the gospel.
Beginning of the gospel. This Christos is Christ, of the Christ.
But Yesu, who is Yesu?
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. Okay, good. The beginning of the gospel of
Jesus Christ.
Jesus
Of Jesus
Christ,
Christ.
the Son. Vioteo. The Son.
Yeah. Son. Theo. You know,
The Son
yeah,
of God.
I don't
the Son of God.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Again, it's the beginning of the gospel of Jesus Christ, the Son of God. Okay. Mark 1:1. Pastor Ezra, that's Mark 1:1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we still have a few minutes left. We'll try to cover this as much as we can. By the way, no, I want to remind you, class, no. I hope you're taking notes of the exercises. Well, of course, it is also in the recording. Okay. Your output will be you translate it in your local language. For example, in most of us here are Filipinos who speak Tagalog. Okay? For the case ni Pastor Pino, Tagalog ka rin, di ba? O meron ka ba?
Tagalog po ako.
Sige.
Pati Bisaya.
Hindi, ano yung first language nyo?
Tagalog po.
Tagalog, sige. So si Ate Lisa ni you write in no? Yung dyan, Bacolod ka, di ba? You write in no, Ilonggo. Hiligaynon.
Yes, sir.
You write in Hiligaynon. Everyone translate in Tagalog yung exercises. Of course, again, for Pastor Ezra, you translate the Greek into Bengali, no? Bengali.
No, sir.
And
Tamil,
then,
sir.
Tamil, sorry. You translate in Tamil, and same for Pastor Isaac. But I think we lost Pastor Isaac. And then, okay, so
Excuse
yes.
me, sir.
Yes.
Like if I translate in Tamil, should I along with Tamil I have to explain in English also?
No.
Only in Tamil.
Because in our class, we're already translating the Greek in English. Okay?
Okay.
So your task
Okay.
is you translate it into your own language. Okay?
Okay.
So it's like every one of you may have a chance to get 100, no? Because especially, no? So this is the most difficult class, no? But this is the class where you get the highest grade, no? If you just continue working on your topics, no? Okay. And look at the translation, because the Son of Man forgive sins, no? I don't know if that's related to what I'm trying to say. No, just making you happy, no? Okay. Okay, so for our guide here, sige, Salmis will do this one, and then si June will translate this one, the next one, si June. Kay Ate Lisa ni ito, mahaba. Magaling si Ate Lisa ni. Ibigay natin yung mahaba. And then this is for Pastor Joel, Code Logos. This is for Pastor Ezra. Okay. This is for Pastor Ezra. This is for let's say kay Pastor Rupino. Okay, this one, kay Pastor Rupino. Sige, I'll give you time to write to translate. So we will be I hope you got your answers, no? No? So this is for this Salmis, ikaw mauna, right? This one. Tayo ba?
Yes, sir.
Sige.
Yes, sir.
Translate, please translate, no? You do your own work muna. Sige. Salmis, kay
Ito translate ko muna sir, sa
yeah,
English.
translate niyo muna sa in your own works. Sa in your notes, in your notebook, no? Pero wag muna yung Tagalog, wag muna. Maybe I will I will not speak in Tagalog because this is recorded, no? You will just copy my work, no? And you are first language speaker, so no. This will not be fair to Pastor Ezra and Ate Lisa, if I will give you the answer, no? Sige. Nagawa mo na ba, Psalmist? Do you want to begin?
Not yet, sir. Wait,
Not
sir.
yet. Sige, sige. Okay. Thank you.
So can I begin?
Yes, Pastor Joel. Yung the one assigned to you. Itong...
Na translated in Tagalog po muna, no?
Wag muna.
So, may I read? Hodologos to insou eki ekosian hoti ho theos ein entai arche tu cosmo. In English, and the word of Jesus has power, or can I use po authority on this? Because God was in the beginning of the world.
Yes, because God was in the beginning of the world. Okay, good. Okay, thank you. Allow me to read the Greek again. Hodologos to Yesu, exousian, hoteos, and no? And. So notice that this one and this one are practically, they have the same sound. No? En, te, arche, tokos mo. Okay. Thank you for that. So, he will go back to Psalmist, no? Ready ka na? Napapangiti. Perhaps that the non-verbal means he's still not ready, no? So, isusunod na lang. The one to follow is June. Ready ka na, June? And then there is smiling, no? I think the non-verbal also means he's still not ready, no? Pag may mga smile, no? Yung mga non-verbals. No? Who else? Si Esther, did I assign to you something, right? I assigned to you, right? Okay. Maybe si Ate Lisa ni, are you done, Ate?
Yes, sir.
Not yet. O, sige.
Sir, try po.
Sige, go ahead, June.
Very strict deadline in the opening of the August stores. I had to tap my church mates. The group that I am with is like a visual artist.
Sige, read the Greek. Read the Greek.
Introverts, they would say. Most of us are introverts, but are
A.
gifted with
Agape.
from the
Okay,
Kaya
we
pala
got
ang ganda ng sulat ng ano.
Yes,
Gar.
yeah, we do like
To.
lettering.
Teo.
We do short courses
Didaske.
on arts, regarding arts. So color theory,
Ten.
designs theory. So this is visual art.
Ex.
And then traditional art, which is your
Exosia.
art. It's also digital
Exosial.
arts. Digital arts. They are very
To.
gifted group of
Kopyo.
people. And they are the ones that are not really that.
For the word of God teaches
For
the
the word of God teaches the powers
of Lord.
of the Lord.
Of the Lord. Okay.
Hindi, pwede rin tong 10 exousian, the authority. No? Hey,
Opo, the
Agape,
authority.
for the love of God teaches the authority of the Lord. Okay, very good. Sige, the next. Yan, si Psalmist now is ready. Sige, please proceed.
Try lang na. Exosian. Tama sir, Exosian.
Exousian.
Exosian. Eke. Hobios. To. Anthropo. Apinay, sir.
Peinay.
Apinay. Hamartias.
Martias.
So, nominative. Obvious. The son of man.
The son of man.
Son of man. The son of man has the son of man has
Has. Exousian is authority na lang. Authority.
Authority. The son of man has authority to forgive sins.
Sins. Very good. Plural kasi to, no? So, the son of man has authority to forgive sins. And this is plural, no? Mahirap naman is singular, no? Isang sin lang pinatawad. You will only forgive one sin, ano? Sabi ni Jesus, kasi isang beses ka lang naman nag-sorry. So, isang sin lang. Okay, thank you again. Who's still, no, we're done. Ano na lang, si either, ayan, we lost na si Ate Lisa ni, but ano,
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Ate Lisa ni, pwede ka na? Hi, Arkay. Yeah, kaya na?
I arkay to Israel o epesteiosan
Good.
o tibo Jesus misay tas hamartias. The rulers of Israel believe not. Yun ba, sir?
Believe na, pero gamitin mo na lang, did not believe.
Okay, the rulers of Israel did not believe that Jesus hates sins.
That Jesus hates the sins. Okay, hates sins. Thank you. Ezra, your turn. And then si Pastor Rupino wants to go. Yes, Ezra.
Yes, sir. So like, can I do it next?
Next na lang. Okay. Okay, we will wait for you. Just keep trying, okay? Pastor Pino, pwede na?
Ego.
Ego.
Ego. Ego for
Okay, this is
for
not
you.
easy for you, no? For you.
For you.
For you.
Ego for you. To Ergon.
To Ergon.
To Ergon to Agelo.
To Angelo.
Atos.
Yes,
De.
autos. De.
Eke.
Eke.
The Eke. The Eke. Ten. Dos.
Doksan.
Ten Doskan.
Doksan. Yung KS sound.
Doksan.
KS. Doksan.
Pedoksan to Teo.
Okay.
Agelo, Miss Angel. I do. Ego, Pio. Ego, Pio. To, Egon. Egon is work?
Ergon is work, yes.
Yes.
I do the
Egon.
work
I do the work of the angel.
of the angel.
I do the work of the angel. De eke.
Okay,
De
okay.
eke.
Wait muna. So here, no, yung autos de eke, and then there is this he. The question is, who is the doer of the action? Automatically, the doer of the action is the nominative. Okay? The nominative. So it becomes he. No, this is third person masculine singular pronoun. So we will no longer we will not translate it as he or it because there is already a clear subject. Okay?
Do,
Papaiwan na lang ha. Tapos, ako rin mo
so Teo means God, right, sir?
Mamasyal ka na lang ng mga ganong oras. Okay, thank you. Commercial lang. Again. Nakuha mo ba ba, no? Kuya Pino?
I'll try. Etong Doksan, hindi ko alam kung ano yung Doksan.
Doksan is glory.
Doksan.
Glory. And then
Glory.
nagpa-function siya as an accusative because of the noon ending.
Doksan is glory.
Hmm.
Uh,
And then this one is yung ending is genitive. So because this is genitive, we will supply an of, no? Of.
I do.
I do the work
I do the work of the angel.
of the angel.
Of the angel. The action is glory.
Yung ano muna, no? Yung the. And this could be translated as end. This one. And so do not forget yung de, no? And autoseke.
Okay, I do the work of the angel. And
And he has. Autoseke is he has, no? And he has.
And he has the glory.
The glory.
Of God.
Of God. Very good. Thank you. So I hope you take note, no? You have taken on. Is Pastor Isaac still here? Can you try this one, Pastor Isaac? Okay. So Ezra, are you ready?
Yeah, like that previous one, which Pastor Rufno told, I think that was given to me, I guess.
This
That's
one?
10.
Okay, sorry. So just you mean this one? This one is
The previous one, like,
is this yours?
yeah,
Okay.
above that. The previous one, sir. A.
You mean ego? This one? You also work this? You are muted, no, Pastor Ezra? Please unmute.
Previous one, this one, I think you gave me this one. So Can you get me? Hear me?
Yes, yes. Well, anyway, can you try this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hoy de. You could read this.
Hoy de VO
Vioy.
VOI T ties
Test, taste,
ties BA
ba,
C
ba,
ba ba C ba C ba
le,
C le ye AC AC
Basileas. Basileas.
yes.
Okay. Before you go on, no. This is AIs, okay?
Yes, sir.
AIs. So we read this as Basileas.
Basileas
Okay, good. Continue. This one.
Basileas egg
Okay. Read the syllable. Ek,
egg
ble,
egg blade
te, ek, blete,
egglete
son,
so egglete son CO
tai.
vita egglete son CO vitae
Ek, blete, son, tai. Okay. 5 syllables. Okay, try reading again. Ek,
egg blade egglete
te,
egglete sino
son,
vitae
son,
so
tai.
egglete son sino vitae. Am I correct?
Very close. Ek, blete, son, tai. Okay, if I'll be reading this,
Okay, sir. Egg blow. Shit.
read it slowly.
Egg,
Do not be pressured, okay? Do not be pressured. Ek,
egg lay so
ek, blete,
eglete and sono vita
son, tai.
sono tie. Okay. Egg blaze and sono tie.
And then this one,
Ace
is,
to
to,
sic Sikotos.
skotos.
Kotos.
Okay? I'll be reading, no? Oy de vioy, tes, basiliais, ek, blete, son, tai, istos, skotos. Okay? So, do you recall skotos? Do you remember? Do you remember this one? Actually, the definite article belongs to this. So this is tos kotos. Do you remember? It is
No, sir.
if you close your eyes, you will remember.
Darkness.
Darkness. If you close your eyes, it's darkness. You could not see anything. Okay. Yes, thank you, Pastor Joel. Okay, go back. Translate. You remember Vioy?
Sun.
Sun, plural. Sons. It's plural,
Sons.
okay? Sons.
Sons.
Do you remember the? Do you remember the?
Sir?
This one. Do you remember this one? It can be translated as and or but. But I think in
Wow.
the context here, it should be translated as but. It is trying to contrast something that is ahead of it. But,
Okay. But
yes, but
sons,
the sons, because there is hoy,
the
okay? There is hoy.
okay,
But the sons,
but the sons
you remember
their acts,
Basileia? Ezra, you remember Basileia?
Basileia,
It is translated as
kingdom.
kingdom. Okay, so this is singular because it's singular form. Okay,
Okay. But the
but
sons
the sons,
of the kingdom,
yes, but you miss something because this is genitive. What do you add if it's genitive? You add the preposition. Ezra, we add the preposition of, right? So it becomes, if we add of, Ezra, are you still there? Ezra? Ezra, how's your connection? I think we lost Ezra, no? Pastor Isaac, can you take over? This one? Pastor Isaac?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Eh, hoy, hoy de vi, hoy de
VOI.
vioi
Good.
ten
This is test. This is test. Okay.
test
Test.
ba bas basis basilis
Basileas. Basileas.
basileias ekba
Ekble te sontay.
ebas eblet
Te
sontai
sontay. Okay.
eblet sontai it's
Is
to
to
to scrotus
scotus. Okay. Before you answer that,
scrotus.
Ezra, can you take the last one? This one.
Yeah. So
Okay.
sorry, my
So,
data got.
okay. Just read this first. We will wait for Pastor Ashaf to finish this one. So try to analyze this while we're waiting. Sige, Pastor Isaac. Translate. But the sons. But the sons.
But the son.
Plural, sons. But the sons.
Okay, but the sons. Yes. But the
And then
sons
What is Basileia? You remember?
No,
You
no,
remember
sir.
kingdom, right?
Okay,
Basileia is
kingdom.
kingdom. Okay.
But the son's kingdom,
This is genitive, so you add off, okay? But the sons of the kingdom,
but the sons of the kingdom,
then
eh,
will
if
be thrown this one.
okay, will be thrown. But the sons of the kingdom will be thrown.
Is to Scotos. You remember Scotos? Mr. Isaac?
No, no, sir.
Darkness, when there's
Yes.
no light, darkness.
Okay. But the sons of the kingdom will be thrown into the darkness.
Very good. Okay. Yes, thank you. Now for Ezra, still there? Okay. Try to read the Greek again. Unmute, unmute. You can do this. This will be the last and the class is over.
So, if on
Apen. Apen.
if an if an of to
Auto.
he hen hen ha hen hen en ha ma mati aso
Egenates. Egenates.
egenetes.
Okay. Apen auto and hamartia su egenetes. Okay.
Yes.
So analyze. Analyze this one first. You remember Apen, Ezra?
Yes, sir. If and if an
He said, remember, he said,
he said, yeah,
he
he
said,
said,
and then auto.
mm,
So auto
you
is dative. No, 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 no. Um, um, if you're thinking of you, this is the you. Su. Okay. But this one is a third person. He said,
he said,
and this is dative. So you add to, either to, in, or with. But in the context, the best preposition is to. He said to. You remember autos, Ezra? Autos is third person personal pronoun he. Right? Autos
him
is he. So here it becomes he said to him. Okay?
said
He
to
said
him,
to him, okay?
you
You
you uh, so you were
were what?
so last you're it's written that born
You were born
in sin.
plural,
Just
plural. Many. You were
yeah,
born in
and sin and
since. Since.
since
Okay? Epenauto and hamartia. Epenauto. And hamartia su eginetes. He said to him, you were born in sins. Okay, allow me to read the last few before we end, no? Latreo tonteon hoti ego pisteo tu evangeliu tu mi o auto. I serve God because I believe in the in the gospel or in the good news of His Son. Kaiso kaiso esakuse kay Ileos esay kay Samarias tu Laos tu Israel kay oisete kay oisete autus eis tengen. And you will hear and you will hear. So think of this as phrases, okay? And you will hear and you will be merciful. Merciful to what? To the sins of the people of Israel, and you will bring them into the world. Okay? Is tengen. Te ay pento Yesu hoti hotu orgisusi te beselea ton antropon. And so this is the subject, which is a feminine personal pronoun she. No? She said to Jesus that those men are angry at the kingdom of the men. Okay? So are there any questions? I hope you are increasingly pleased now, no? Increasingly, no? As you continue to read, and then of course, it's like it's like broken words that you put together. But of course, the cases are very important kasi they explain if it's genitive, you're going to add of or from. If it's dative, you're going to add to, in, with, or among. And if it's accusative, not if it's accusative, it is the one who receives the action, okay? That is the often error. I also remember myself, no? The often error is sometimes if you fail to read the accusative, sometimes you misread that it is the doer of the action, but actually it is the one who receives the action. And then take note of proper nouns, no? Names in the like Petros, Peter, or Ioane, which is John. No? Okay. So thank you. I will be sending this recording later on. So keep saving them, because at the end of the course, no, at the end of the course, I will delete them from the system. So you just keep saving them. Again, bye-bye. Enjoy your enjoy your lunch, and then God bless everyone.